Welcome back. It's Good Time Gal, and I'm bringing it to you on the last day of May. May 31st is National Macaroon Day. Yes, this is for my macaroon lovers. If you like shredded coconut, this is for you. So let's talk about macaroons. So, macaroons are traditionally made out of coconut, 2 egg whites, and you get to add your flavoring, which could be vanilla, almond, or anisette liquor. Remember that liquor we made? Yes. So the beauty of these macaroons is that they are easy, they're equitable. You usually have a lot of these ingredients on hand. You heard me just list 3 ingredients. So unlike the French macaroons, these are very forgiving. You don't have to have a specialty ingredient, and you can just handle business, and that's why we will be making them. Now, why does this align with Good Time Gal? Well, it aligns with us because it's simple ingredients, simple recipe. Also, it's affordable, it's equitable, it's relatable, and you know me. I love a recipe that's easy, affordable, and we can share it with the people we love, because that's really what Good Time Gal is all about. So let's get started. So this is going to be a relatively easy cook, right? Like I said, it's going to take us about 10 minutes to prep. It will take about 18 to 20 minutes to cook, and there you go. These are really great to give as gifts for the holidays or for the summer, just to get it going. I'm going to list off the ingredients. So you're going to need 3 cups of shredded coconut. It can be sweet or unsweet. That's going to be up to you. You're going to need 2 egg whites. You're going to need 1/3 cup of sugar. You're going to need a teaspoon of vanilla. You're going to need 1/4 teaspoon of salt. That's it. Let's do it. Pretty easy, straightforward. We're going to add our coconut. Add all of your coconut. And if it's like this, just kind of separate it with your hands a little bit so we can really get this flavor to come through. This is also really good if you want to do like pina colada and add a little rum, you can. I know, don't get too crazy. So this is going to be my teaspoon of vanilla that I'm adding. 1/3 cup of sugar I'm adding. And now 1/4 teaspoon of salt. It's about that. So I'm adding my salt. And then I'm using my egg whites, because my egg whites are the glue. This is the glue that holds it together. I'm gonna fold. I'm gonna cut through, because you want to make sure the egg, the sugar, the vanilla, it's getting on all of the coconut, right? Because that's our glue, that's our binding agent. How do you know? You know how I'm moving this around and you're seeing some flakes get away from me? In a minute, every flake shouldn't be able to really be moving, right? It should stop. So notice how they're getting a little wet. Now it's not so fluffy. And now it's starting to move as one big coconut. It's letting me know that it's almost done. Maybe a couple more turns. Because this is really all you got to do, okay? Everything else, This is why it's so forgiving. So now it's ready. See how nice it is and compact? Take your teaspoon or an ice cream scooper of your choice. And begin. These are going to be so delicious. You just keep going. You're doing amazing. Look at you. Being a fancy macaroon maker. Ooh. Look at that. We have some really beautiful macaroons. These are gonna go in the oven at 325 for 18 to 20 minutes. Our timer has went off, so it's time to look and get these macaroons. Remember, I have a gas stove, so mine is a little different. So I'm gauging it between 18 to 20 minutes. So I'm actually stopping at 17 minutes, okay? I think if I do 20 minutes with this gas stove, it will burn it. So this is why it's really important to always kind of check at that last 5-minute mark or that last 8-minute mark. So you can see, because usually by the last 8 to 5 minutes, you'll know if it's ready or not. Bees, look at this, guys. Oh yeah, super proud of you. What? We did it. This is one of those recipes where once you remember it, you're never gonna forget it. If your kids, family members love coconut macaroons, hey, take advantage. Remember those candy orange slices we did? Those candy lemon slices? They pair very well with this. Fresh fruit pairs well with this. This one really pairs well with it. So that's why we're doing this. So pat yourself on the back. Pat yourself on the back. Yes. Let's plate it. Let's do it. They came out really, really well. I'm so proud of you. I'm just doing a little technique that's different. Instead of trying to get them off of the parchment paper, I'm actually lifting the parchment paper and then using the spatula to get them off, okay? And that just helps you keep it more delicate so it doesn't crumble as badly. Yeah, these are perfect. I am so proud of you. I don't know what to do Every time we do a bake and it comes out, I am always proud of you. So please pat yourself on the back. I don't think you realize how much dexterity, confidence this takes. If you can do this, you can do anything. And that's the whole point of us doing this, right? It's to show you you can do anything. So now I'm gonna drizzle a little chocolate. Because you can get a little chocolate. Yep. Look at those. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Now, gotta taste it. Yes. Yes. Coconut macaroons. You did it. So from my kitchen to yours, happy National Macaroon Day. Well, that's all the time we have today. Thanks so much for stopping by and making these sweet, delicious macaroons. Who knew today was gonna be so wonderfully easy? I did. If you've enjoyed this and you'd like to get way deeper into this cooking journey with me, please feel free to download my book on Amazon, Good Time Gal Cookbook, or order your hard copy. This book can really help you go forward in your cooking journey. It's great for beginners as well as people who just want to try a little something new. So from my kitchen to yours, happy cooking.